Coming to you from the Next Weather Studio, a 360 view of your forecast. This is Next Weather, sponsored by your local Chevy dealers. Georgia Drive Chevy.
And next, weather meteorologist Orelon Sidney joining us tonight. Orelon, it'll be great for people to get out there today or tomorrow, especially before that rain rolls in.
You might want to get out pretty quickly, and you're going to have to get away from city lights, obviously, because that's going to be a thing as well. But pretty quickly, these clouds are going to start rolling in, and that's going to mean some pretty good rain for us. I'm going to kind of take off where I left off, and that's with the rainfall that's expected to come through late tonight. That's going to cover much of North Georgia. And then we have a little bit of a break. After 1 p.m., things are going to start to slow down a bit. So what I'm going to do is actually pause this at 1 p.m. and show you that we've got rain coming in from the west, a little bit of rainfall across North Georgia. Now, I'm going to start it again at 1 p.m., but this is a little different model, so it's going to initiate a little differently, going to look a little different. But what's going to happen is we'll start to see rainfall filling in, especially as we get into the late hours tomorrow. We'll start to see some rainfall moving through. Strong thunderstorms here. Look at this. Whew, that is going to be something else between 10, 11, 12, up to 1, 2 in the morning. And then there's a second round of thunderstorms that comes through before the third round comes through and finally moves out. So it's going to be a very busy period here. I am concerned about some of these thunderstorms that form out ahead of the main line. Also, we're going to have to watch this main line as it comes through. We could see some rotating supercells within that. So that means an all hazards night for you. Gusty winds, large hail, possibly looking at some tornadoes. So it's going to be a busy one indeed. As far as the rain accumulation, this is going to be some of the heaviest rain we've probably seen this year. The heaviest areas up here in orange, yeah, you could see up to 4 inches in some areas. Most locations between 1 to 2 inches, and this is the storm total between tonight and the time the rain ends Thursday afternoon. So, wow, there's a lot going on. Well, what's the impetus for this? It's a big area of low pressure back across the desert southwest. You can see it right about there, a little curlicue ahead of the subtropical jet, which is right at my feet here, as well as cold air that's coming in from the north. Now, we're already seeing showers and thunderstorms along this. Look at this. This is some heavy rainfall stretching all the way back into the Great Lakes. Eventually, that's going to make its way into our area. So do watch out over the next 24 to 36 hours. So we're looking at Wednesday, rain off and on, then looking at heavy rain thunderstorms Wednesday night. Going into Thursday morning, some could be severe. We start to have a little bit of clearing. The front's going to stall south of us. So over the weekend, another shot of rainfall comes through before we finally clear out for real on Tuesday. TJ?